and me.
Yeah. Okay.
The
Wait, D says
the band.
wait, let's go. Zach had or well it's or a
and
yeah. Zach had a fan. Very good. Okay, what was that word? It's a sight word.
the ants climb.
You're guessing. Sound it out.
Climb.
What does R say?
The ant stream.
What does R say?
The ant stream. That's the ant stream.
Do I need to cover it up so you can... Well, yeah, that looks like an ant string. But look, we're going to read this word so we can find out what action they're doing. What is that?
O-A-N. Ants ran.
Mm-hmm.
And A. And ran.
Yeah, so the ants ran and ran. Woo-hoo. So what is
Sweep.
that? Yeah. Let's read it. Read the words so we can find out what happened.
Zach.
Guessing.
The.
Let's sound it out.
Had. Sweeping.
What is that?
Sweep.
It says when it's by itself. When it's by itself, it says right, but when it's by itself, it says or a.
And he's so weird.
Let's sound out this word now.
Then
Okay, slow it down. N says
what?
A says
Ah.